Good afternoon to everyone. We will wait for a few minutes, let everybody join. Then we will start today's experiment, okay? About the revision of Cisco packet tracer, okay? So then we will start. Wait for a few minutes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, so we have the 33 students we have. So let me start with that. So, as per the kind of the request from all the students, we need to start with the experiment, and in lecture I will give the demonstration of that what you need to do actually in the experiment. So today I have chosen that experiment which is going to be complete by the students who has joined late very quickly. So that experiment was a Cisco packet tracer and network topology. So what is the basic requirement of this experiment? Like, you need to just go with some of the theories, and then after you just need to write about some conclusion about stuff related to some Cisco packet tracer devices. Okay. So whatever the requisites and stuff that you need to do, that I'm going to explain. But let me start with that. What is a Cisco packet tracer first? Okay. So first, I will give a idea about that why Cisco packet tracer is important, and you must know about the Cisco packet tracer as a network engineer. And if you are in other IT or computer, so this is one of the required software, okay, in which you need to develop your skill, because it's acceptable worldwide. Okay, so what is Cisco packet tracer? It's a comprehensive network technology teaching and learning software developed by the Cisco Network Academy. It also offers the unique combination of realistic simulation and then visualization experience, as well as there is a complex assessment and activity on network. Like, you can simply say like that, whatever the complex networking kind of the task that you are going to perform, but what is going to be happen, okay, in real world, okay, after implementing those complex network, if you want to check it in kind of the virtual level, like if I have kind of the hundreds of routers are there, switches are there, thousands of computers are there, or this is a IP pool are there, but how this all system going to be work perfectly, where the error going to be occur, where the fault going to be generate, where the traffic going to be generate. If you want to just analyze this stuff virtually before actually implementing into the real time, so the Cisco packet tracer is one of the platform in which you can do that. So this is the main advantages of this particular software. Like, you can do the realistic simulation and visualization experience for complex activity of the network. So this is why the Cisco packet tracer is very much helpful. Now, this is a stuff we have like if you want to install the Cisco packet tracer, so you just need to search into the internet like Cisco packet tracer for Windows or Cisco packet tracer for Linux. So automatically from their website only you can directly go to the kind of the installation file. Okay, whether it's a 32-bit or 64-bit. After that, it's a mandatory. We have like after installing the software, it is required that you need to create your account in the identity.cisco.com. Okay, so before going to run the Cisco packet tracer software, it is mandatory that you need to register yourself in the that particular website. Through that website also you can kind of the access the Net Academy. Okay, so that Net Academy is one of the platform in which there are various courses are there. There are a Cisco packet tracer different tasks, community based discussions are there through which you can just share the knowledge, gain the knowledge. You can participate in the various level of the courses. So these two website like identity.cisco.com and Net Academy. Okay, so if you just search this both of the stuff, you can kind of the find out lots of information about the Cisco. Okay, from that. So, what do you mean by packet tracer simulation based learning? Okay, so why this is going to be required and why people are just it's that much of the famous. Okay, it's worldwide. It's going to be famous. Why? Because it's the innovative features that help the students and teacher to collaborate, to solve the problems, to learn the concept, and we can engage in dynamic and social environment. We can say like that if you are having a Cisco packet tracer, so combinedly you can just create the network by sharing it with each other. Like whatever the simulation file I have, I will share it with my faculties, and he will give me the or he or she will give me the comments on that, and according to that, I will modify my network. So it's a dynamic platform through which all the peoples can come together and create a complex base or kind of the networking design people can implement. It will also packet tracer simulation based learning also offers, as I have told you, that from the Cisco Academy only, you can access the supportive lectures, group, individual labs. You can access homeworks, exam, games, competitions. So in which also you can just increase your knowledge, sharpen your skills. So that are the platform also available in the packet tracer simulation kind of the we can say that platform. It also allows the instructor to easily teach and demonstrate the complex technical concept in a networking system. So if I'll tell there are two switch are there connecting in the tree in manner, there are five PCs are there connecting with individual switches, and now if I'll just sending one packet from this switch to, so if I'll just going with the verbal, it's not going to be that much of the digested, okay, by the student. But if I'll just demonstrate those stuff by creating a topology in Cisco packet tracer, so student can easily understand that how in topology work, how system connect, what are the device required, which type of the cable required, and all stuff. So it's help overall the students to develop the important 21st century skill. That's why this Cisco packet tracer is going to be very much famous. Okay. So what are the different steps are there? So we are having a different kind of the windows are there like simulate iOS command. So if you want to design your system by the iOS command, you just you are ready with the command based kind of the configuration. So that's platform also available. If you want to visualize the network traffic, like where the traffic create, where the message is going to be transmitted, what is a whether this router is working properly or not, whether message is diverting properly or not. So that traffic visualization is also possible, as well as you can collaborate with the or we can say you can collaborate with the different kind of the multi-user activities also going to be possible. So these are the stuff also that can be implemented. Okay, in terms of the collaborative, like somebody has created some design, somebody is now if you want to combine all of them, so that collaborative multi-user activities is also going to be possible over here. Okay. Now what in this experiment, actually in this experiment, what the majority of the people need to do? Okay, so they need to do this stuff like they need to learn about that what is a different topology. So topology based simple simulation that I have just demonstrated over here, and again I'm going to play the video of that, how the topology is going to be implemented and what are the different steps are there and all stuff. Okay, So basically, there are we can say 7 type of the topologies mentioned over here. First, it's a point to point. We can say user to user. There is no intermediate device. Nothing is going to be there. One to one communication is going to be created. That's considered as a point to point. There is a point to point topology, you can say. Another one, which is a bus. So bus, you can say there are a common cable, and through the common cable different system is going to be connected. If I'll give the simple example of that, your cable TV network. So if cable TV network is one of the example of bus topology, it means with the single cable there are lots of users is just tapping those cables and just getting the information from that. So there are simple kind of the cable based transmission considered as a bus topology. Okay. Another topology, which is a ring topology. Okay, so in ring topology, we can say through one particular system, all are connecting in a loop. Okay, so in any direction, like from anti-clockwise or clockwise direction, that message and data going to be transmitted. But it required lots of kind of the protocol also, like who is going to be participate, who is going to send the message. We need to manage the traffic also and all stuff. Another, which is a star. Now in star, you can say there are one particular intermediate devices there through which all the systems are connected. Like you can take an example of your home router. Okay, if you have a home wireless router, you can connect your mobile, 2 to 3 mobile you are connecting, your laptop you are connecting. So that we can say this is a star topology, I can say. Okay, so through one device, all the peripherals is going to be connected, either wired or we can say wireless, or we can say combinedly both of them. Fifth topology, which is a tree topology. Tree topology, we can say there are a common cable is there. Through that cable, there are a different interconnecting devices connecting with that cable, and then through that device, that message is going to be further distributed. Okay, so you can say there are one master kind of the line is there through which there are a different devices which is connected through that master line, and through that devices there is a end peripherals or end users or mobile or laptop or PCs are connecting in manner. So it's going to be hierarchy in manner from top to medium, then the bottom, then lower bottom. So likewise, if such type in manner the connection was implemented, then it's considered as a tree type of the topology. Now another is going to be mesh topology. Now in mesh topology, you can say like that each and every PC connected with all the devices. Like you can say you are having a 5 PC, okay, in your system, and if you want to create a mesh topology, then all the 5 PCs are connecting with the rest of the 5 one. Okay, so if you are creating such type of the topology, it's considered as a mesh topology. And seventh one, which is a hybrid. Hybrid is a combination like bus, ring, star, mesh. So if we are doing a combination of this previous 6, so that's considered as a hybrid topology. So this type of the topology, in this type of the topology manner, that entire network is actually going to be implemented. Okay, most of the time it's a hybrid topology. Okay, whenever we're talking about the big area network, or we can say wide area network. But if we can say LAN topology, so out of the 6, that is one of the topology that might be used. Okay. Now let's I will start with one particular video. Let me just start with the video, which is a difference between hub and switch. So let me tell you first, that is hub and switch is nothing but this is a one type of the connecting device. Okay, but what this hub and switch will do, that you need to just understand over here. So let me just type this YouTube link, and I will show you some of the video. This is a video, and you need to just see the video, and at the end, you need to just understand what is the switch and hub. Okay. Oh, why it's not working? Oh, sorry. So let me just copy. Let me just paste it in a. So if that voice is not coming, don't worry. worry about that. The same link that I am also going to be placed in the chat box. So if you want to see it from the chat box also, you can see it, not an issue. But at the end, you need to give me the answer on that, like what are the difference between switch and hub that you have observed. Okay. So let me just play this video over here. I will just go it very quickly so you can get the idea that what are the difference between switch and hub. So so what they are doing, they are just choosing a star topology to create one particular network using switch and hub, and then after creating a star topology, he is going to identify that what are the basic difference they have observed, okay, in this both of the connecting device. So this both are intermediate connecting device through which you can create a network. But what are the basic difference is going to be created between hub and switch. So if I'll just go quickly on that, so this is a hub. He has taken, now he has taken some of the 5 pieces that, then he has connected with the appropriate wire with the Ethernet cable. He has connected. You can observe this, a green button is going to be displayed directly once that cable is going to be connected over there. So it is going to be first connect all the cable. I'm just going little bit faster, so we will finish all this stuff in time. Now what he's going to be do, he's going to do the IP configuration. So where the IP you can enter, like, you know that without any address that message is not going to be transmitted. Like whenever you are sending letter, at least you need to write what is your address and what is the destination address. Okay, so what is the address in terms of the network? It's your IP address, okay, through which, through that identity you are actually entering to the network for the data transmission. Okay, so where this kind of the network is going to be possible, you can see like that this network is going to be possible whenever you are entering the IP address to that. And IP address you can get it from click on PC, then IP configuration. You can just kind of the access those particular IP address panel, and you need to just enter the 192.168.10.1 or 10.100. He is writing this stuff. Then there is a subnet mask. After that, what this person is going to be do? Am I audible? First of all, can anybody tell me? Am I audible properly or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Then that's good. Yes, okay. So, so it's going to give the IP address in all the PCs, like that. All the PCs having the IP address having a 192.168 and 10.100 he has given. But over here, that 101. So last 3 digit is going to be changed over here. Okay, but rest of the 3 digit is going. Rest of the 3 portion is going to be says. This is a one of the rules, okay, for the IP allocation according to that subnet masking we are giving. Okay, when you are going to higher semester, you will learn that what is the IP configuration are there, what is the IP classes are there. But according to that class C type of the IP addressing scheme, he is giving the addresses to the each and every PC. Okay, so after giving the IP address to all of them, what this person is going to be do? He is writing the IP address of individual one, and he's just mentioning that what is IP address is associated with which particular system. Now, what he is going to be do? See, this is from real time to simulation. Is going to switch. So simulation it means is nothing but like he is showing that how the packet now is going to be transmitted. So there are a different protocols are is going to be applied when you are connecting. So in background, automatically there are a protocol is going to be set. Otherwise, you can just send it or you can set it in your manner only. Okay. Now let's see what he is going to be do. He's just choosing one particular message. So he's just click on this message, and he's going to give this message from one PC to another PC. Okay, you can see just after this stuff. So यहाँ पे PC 0 से लेके इसने
Sorry for
sorry
the
for the
interruption.
interruption. My PC
PC
has
has just
just
crashed
crashed
that
that
particular
particular
website. Kindly
website.
give me a
Kindly give
minute.
me a minute. Okay, okay. Yes. So where we have, yes, he has just started sending the message from PC 0 to PC 1. Okay, if you will just directly go through that. Yes. So PC 0 to PC 1, you can, let me just play it from this one. Yes. So you can see he has choose the message. PC 0 to PC 1, he has just transmitted the message. Now you can see that's over here. Now there is a scenario. He's now running the simulation. You can see capture and forward, you are going to click. So this message is first starting start sending from PC 0 to hub, then hub to it that now you need to observe once it will reach to the hub, what this hub actually do. Hub is going to send this packet to all the PCs. Okay, and we can say that PC is going to be give the cross. Okay, this 4 PC is giving the cross. ये 4 PC यहाँ पे cross बता रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये पैकेट इसके लिए नहीं है. This message is for PC1 and PC1 is not showing any cancellation message. Again, when there is a capture and forward is going to be there, you can see like that again PC1 will send the acknowledgement that I have successfully received the message, and then it is again going to hub, and hub again send this acknowledgement to all of them. ये हब है, उसके पास मैसेज आया तो वो क्या करेगा, सबको भेजेगा. Now who is going to approve? That PC0 is going to be send the right approve. You can see over here it's approve, and rest of them are saying the crossbar over here. It means that PC0 has acknowledged, and this message is not meant for all the remaining PCs. Okay, so in this manner that message is going to be transmitted. Like message भेजता है, hub है उसको broadcast कर देता है, and then after when it is returned to PC1, PC1 will send the acknowledgement, and PC0 to PC1 communication is going to be take place. So this is a stuff is going to be happen in the hub. Now we'll directly jump to the stuff of the switch. Okay, so here he has taken one switch, and similar type of the exercise. So I am just going kind of there. You can see there are a orange button is there. There is not a green. One by one it is showing the green. You can see this is a orange buttons are there. Okay, and one by one it start converting into the green, and during that process of converting from orange to green, actually your switch is creating one table inside of that. Okay, in which table it is mentioning that which PC is connecting with me and what are the IP addresses of that. Such type of the table is going to be formed inside of the switch. Okay, there is one dedicated software is there. For inside of that software, that table is going to be created. That we can say routing table, I can say. Now, when the switch is going to be implemented, IP also going to be allocated. Same way in IP, you can also allocate. Now you can say when the message is going to be transmitted in the switch, see what happened. Now switch is not going to be send this message to each and everyone. It is only going to send this message to the one PC which is actually meant for that. So PC6 to PC9 communication only take place. Rest of the PC not getting the any extra message or any traffic for their particular link. Okay, so this is a basic difference between like switch is going to be broadcast while switch is not going to do the broadcasting. It will just send the message from one place to the another place only, while hub is not having that ability to do that. So likewise this message is going to be transmitted in terms of the hub as well as in the switch. So depend upon your requirement, depend upon the traffic requirement, either you can go with the switch or hub. Obviously there are a cost differences there, but according to that your cost parameter also you can choose either switch and the hub. So this is a basic stuff that I have just mentioned over here regarding the switch and hub. So all this video link and all stuff I have already put it in your kind of the link, or you can kind of the finding out that what are the different kind of the stuff which is related to the switch and hub. Now what I will do, I will just put this rest of the video kind of the file. Kindly allow me a second. It's working a little bit slowly. Yes. Sorry for this one. Mm. So this is the link for the, I can say that that's the same video. Now let me just share the link for the other stuff about the star topology. I'll just copy it. Just go back to that slide. Let me just paste it over here. Star topology. Let me just place the another bus topology, tree topology. That's or this is some of the example for your reference. Like if you want to just look for that different topological example, so you can just refer those texts. So I'm just two of this video link I'm just pasting over here, so you can refer that. What are the tasks that actually you need to do in this experiment? So this is a task you have, and this all task, it's a simple, you need to writing down in your uh, page. Okay, you need to write the answer of this particular stuff in your page. You can take a help of your friend also, those who have already done this task previously. It's not an issue with me, but you need to write it in a page. Okay, that's answer of this question. Now what are the questions are there? Like first task, you need to just simply draw the topology that you have studied. So 7 topology I have just give the definition. You just need to draw the diagram of the topology. This is a task 1. What is a task 2? You need to just write it down, the difference between switch, hub and router. So for all this question, you can take a help of the internet. You can search those questions on the internet and you can write down the answers from that. But what is my main aim? Just you need to have a idea about that. What are the difference between these 3 devices? Okay. So you need to differentiate the switch, hub and router. You need to differentiate both of them with the proper figure and functionality. Third task, you need to identify, just go to that Cisco packet tracer or in the supportive website and you can search in the internet like what are the different type of the switches and routers available in the Cisco packet tracer. So आपको क्या सर्च करना है? सर्च करिए इंटरनेट में what are the different types of the switch and router available in Cisco packet tracer, and you need to write a short description on that. Okay, what are the tasks 4? You need to see the video. There's a video which is related for the configuration of the router, and you need to write the step. Like by looking to that video, which type of the step he has followed to configure the router. So you need to just write the steps, okay, one by one, like step 1, step 2, step 3, like that. Okay, not any complex thing over there. Another, there are what is difference between IPv4 and IPv6? Comparative analysis. And sixth task, which is a DHCP server, there are one video is there. Same way you need to see those video and you need to identify that what are the steps involved in configuration of DHCP server. Why this task that I'm giving over here? Because there's a fundamental questions are there which is required before entering to the network kind of the class or kind of the network theory classes in your higher semester. So that's my advice, that you go with this all these 6 tasks, write it down the answer in the paper, and simply the answer of those questions you need to just upload into the canvas. This is a one of your assignment over here. Anybody having any doubt in this one? So first I will clear those doubt and then we will go with all this stuff. So let me just kind of the paste this all the question over here. So that first of all, this task is up to 4th task. It's going to be paste it, because that's not so much kind of the text is going to be pasted over here. But don't worry, from the task 4 onwards, I'm just pasted it again. Okay. Yeah, so these are the tasks. This task you can also find it out in the canvas also. If you can go to the canvas and if you will search the Cisco packet tracer, so you will search this, you will find this task and all stuff, and you can use your you can write it in a word file also, or you can write it in your notebook also. It's up to you. But that answer of this all the question which is compulsory, that we require. If you just write in a notebook, so it's going to be a little bit faster if you're just typing over there, but you need to do some formatting in proper in manner. So I request those who have not done this task previously, please do this task. And you are having a time right now of the half an hour. Meanwhile, if there is any problem or any issues is going to be generated, so you can ask me right now. So now it's the next 30 minutes is for the students, those who have not done this task, and they need to start writing this task today onward, today only. And if it is remaining, so you can complete it later on, but at least you need to submit into the canvas. Okay. Any doubt, anybody, any having question, please ask me. If you're not having doubts, I am having a little bit stuff that I want to share with you. Anybody having any doubt? If you have doubt, then write it down, otherwise write the no. Okay, that no doubt. So I will just go further on the discussion. Please, everybody, if there is no doubt, then write clear or no, so I will just go further. Now, those who have joined the new, especially the D2D students, okay, listen this instruction clearly. D2D students, all the D2D students, kindly see this stuff. Like, right now, just a second. Uh, just a second. Let me allow. Yes, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, yes, thank you. So let me just share my screen from my mobile phone, because laptop is start just hanging right now. So I have the another kind of the arrangement over here. So what I'm going to do demonstrate you need to go to the canvas, okay, because that canvas is all the stuff, and continuously we are discussing or taking a submission in the canvas. So what you need to do, everybody, all the, especially the D2D students or the other students, those who have joined the late, or if you have kind of the doubt in that canvas, so you can ask me later on. But those who have already set up their canvas account, what they need to look, this is in a first priority, okay, and this is related to kind of the measure of your exam. That's why that's a most important task. Those who have done already, it's not you need to do anything. But those who have joined new, what you need to do, you need to go to the unit test, you need to go to your grade sheet. Okay, let me just go to the any of the task. Let me just go to the unit test to take home test. Okay, now in take home test, let me go with the speed grader. I am just going to demonstrate on behalf of you, like where you need to see actually, okay, this task where you actually need to see. Let when you will click on the unit test 2 from your canvas account, okay, so in canvas account, when you will just see this particular stuff, so you can find out some of the paper. Okay, if you can just find out some of the paper, that is okay. If you have not find out any paper, okay, let me just directly demonstrate from your point of view only. So give me a second. आप कहाँ से ये चीज है वो आप पता कर सकते हो. Yes, you need to go to your grade first of all. Okay, you need to go to your grade, and in the grade sheet, this is a unit test to take home paper, such type of the mention is there. Okay, so under this unit test to take home papers, what you need to do, you just need to see this diagram, this chat diagram. Okay, just after the 30,
If you can see this chat diagram, and when you will click on that chat diagram, there are a comment is there that is given by me, and in that under comment you can see that download D2D paper something document is attached. Now this is your unit test 2 paper. What everybody need to check, okay, those who have joined recently, they need to check whether you have got this document in your system or not. अगर ये डॉक्यूमेंट आपके सिस्टम में नहीं है तो आप इमीडिएटली मेरे को बताएंगे कि सर आप जो बोल रहे थे, जो यूनिट टेस्ट 2 में टेक होम पेपर के बाजू में जो आउट ऑफ 30 लिखा है उसके बाजू में ऐसा सिंबल नहीं दिखा रहा है, और वो सिंबल पे क्लिक करने के बाद भी अगर यहाँ पे कोई पीडीएफ डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है, आप मुझे इमीडिएटली कॉल करेंगे या मैसेज करेंगे, क्योंकि मुझे आपको यूनिट टेस्ट 2 का पेपर एलोकेट करना बाकी है. दोज हु हैव जॉइन न्यू, already I have just verified with entire class list, and I have just distributed all the individual paper to individual students. But if somebody has not got those paper, they need to contact me immediately by checking this particular stuff. What you need to do, everybody, kindly go to your canvas right now and check whether you have got the unit test 2 paper or not. जिन लोगों ने ऑलरेडी सबमिटेड कर दिया है अपना यूनिट टेस्ट 2 पेपर, वो चैट बॉक्स में क्या लिखेंगे? सबमिटेड. जिन लोगों को पेपर मिल गया है बट पेंडिंग है लिखना, वो क्या करेंगे? लिखेंगे पेपर रिसीव्ड बट स्टिल नीड टू कंप्लीट. और जिन लोगों को पेपर नहीं मिला है वो उसको लिखना है नॉट रिसीव्ड. ओके, ऐसा सब लोग अपने कैनवास में जाके पहले चेक करिए और बाद में अपना जो रिस्पॉन्स है वो चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए. और रुकिए रुकिए, क्या अभी पूरा तो होने दीजिए. when you writing this submitted or anything, at the end you need to write your enrollment number, like this enrollment number has submitted still pending. तो मुझे पता चलेगा कितने लोगों का सबमिटेड है, कितनों का पेंडिंग है, कितनों का अपलोड करना बाकी है मेरे साइड से. Everybody need to write like submitted with your enrollment number, complete enrollment number, not a short one. Okay, like Umang has clearly written, complete enrollment number you need to write with your comment. Submitted, received but need to complete, or not received. This 3 line you need to write any one of the option, and at the end you need to write your enrollment number completed. Everybody please write. So all the 62 students is available right now. 57 students, please write this response quickly so I can get the idea that everybody has got the unit test 2 paper. Take a time of 10 minutes, and 10 minutes kindly go to canvas, check it, and then write it in the chat box. All the D2D students, please do this task because it's contain of 100 marks. Okay, ये आपका EAC का 50 मार्क का सवाल है, तो सब लोग ये प्रायोरिटी में अभी के अभी चेक कीजिए और क्या स्टेटस है मुझे चैट बॉक्स में लिखे तो मुझे पता चले कितने लोगों को पेपर मिलना बाकी है. जो लोग नए ज्वाइन हुए हैं वो अभी के अभी लिखिए, ठीक है? ओके, those who are writing it's okay, but give me the status. okay, और जितने भी D2D स्टूडेंट है मैं उन लोगों को खास बताना चाहता हूं, लाइक आप टर्म एंड तक, अगर किसी को यहाँ पे, अगर मैंने अभी पेपर चेक करना चालू नहीं किया है, अगर कोई रेगुलर स्टूडेंट को भी लगता है मुझे फिर से कुछ इसमें ऐड करना है, तो जब तक टर्म हैंड है तब तक मैं ये सब चीजें अलाउ करूंगा. तो आप फिर भी अपना जो ये पोर्टल है उसमें आप अपना सबमिशन कर सकते हो. सो D2D स्टूडेंट, डोंट वरी अबाउट द डेडलाइन. whenever your term end is going to be declared, that day is the last date to submit all the tasks. तब तक सब चीजें already available है ही आपके कैनवास में. Everybody write the status quickly. Anybody if is not received, kindly open their mic and tell me also, sir मुझे नहीं मिला है so and so stuff. Okay, if you have anybody doubt in this experiment also you can ask me right now. Okay, these are the, now I'm open for that. Start doing this exercise. Okay, you need to submit their task which is written over there. That task answer in the word copy or in the writing, you can write it in your manner. Okay, अगर D2D स्टूडेंट है, like if you want to write it in a paper, you can write it. Okay, not an issue with me. Yes, Mr. Kriplani, have you not got the paper or no? Or you have got the paper? Because we have written your name, but what is the status? Dr. Kriplani, please open up your mic and tell.
No, sir. No,
You have not received the
not
paper.
got.
Hello?
No, no.
You have not received the paper. Are you a regular student or D2D students?
E2D
When you have joined?
from beginning.
From beginning, it means from day one. So, Mr.
वो डेट
Kriplani,
याद
Mr.
डेट याद नहीं।
Kriplani, you should tell me, like, सर मुझे मेरा यूनिट टेस्ट 2 का पेपर नहीं मिला है, आप पहले से ज्वाइन है, मुझे एक बार मैसेज भी नहीं किया भाई, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो यार, बताना चाहिए ना, मैं अभी का भी अपलोड कर देता हूँ, रुकिए, गिव मी 2 minutes, I'm going to upload the paper for that. Is there any other who has not received the paper? Kindly give me a 2 minute. So I am going to kind of the upload the paper for you. Just give me a minute, Mr. Kriplani. Kriplani Dinesh. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So there is a 2 account on your name. Okay, in which account I will consider your stuff?
मारवाड़ी वाली છે ને ઈ ઈમેલ આઈડી.
Just a second, huh? Marwadi wala email ID. Let me just search. आपका कुछ भी सबमिशन नहीं है मिस्टर कृपलानी अभी तक?
नहीं.
तो कब कर रहे हो? तो कब करोगे
आज
मेरे भाई?
आज करो.
मैंने अटैच तो एक बार कर दिया है ऑलरेडी, 7 नवंबर को भेज दिया है पेपर. 2 कृपलानी है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक जो दिनेश कृपलानी है उसका यूनिट टेस्ट 2 का पेपर मैंने ऑलरेडी भेज दिया है. रुकिए, मैं फिर से दोनों अकाउंट आपके जो भी दोनों अकाउंट है मैं उसमें भेजता हूँ और बाद में मुझे आप अभी के अभी एक्नॉलेज कीजिए कि आपको पेपर मिला है नहीं. काइंडली गिव मी अ मिनट. यहाँ पे दो अकाउंट है इसलिए इश्यू हो गया ऑलरेडी, अदरवाइज मैंने पहले ही सारे दिन पहले भेज दिया. रुकिए, गिव मी अ 2 minute. ओके, सो आई विल जस्ट अपलोड इट एंड आई विल गिव यू द नोटिफिकेशन ऑन दैट.
ओके सर.
दोनों में है ही पेपर. आपका नाम क्या है कैनवास पे? अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करके मुझे दिखाइए.
ओके, देख लेता हूँ.
आप देखिए, टेक होम 2 पेपर, यूनिट टेस्ट 2 में दोनों जगह पे मैंने पेपर सबमिट कर किए हैं. आप देखिए, चेक करिए एक बार. हाँ, दोनों में है पेपर. आप स्क्रीन शेयर करिए प्लीज कृपलानी, अपना मोबाइल में से तो कुछ स्क्रीन शेयर करिए और मुझे बताइए, हम देख लेते हैं। चलिए, अगर कुछ इश्यू है। और कोई है जिसको नहीं सबमिट हुआ और अभी उसका
सर
यूनिट टेस्ट 2 का पेपर नहीं दिख रहा है?
सर
यस, हु इज
मुझे
देयर?
इन्विटेशन ही नहीं मिला इसका। बीसीएन
साक्षी, आप
सब्जेक्ट
कब
का
ज्वाइन
मुझे
हुए साक्षी?
बिफोर
साक्षी, आप
दिवाली
कब ज्वाइन
वेकेशन।
हुए?
बिफोर दिवाली वेकेशन।
हेलो साक्षी।
सर एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू?
तो ओके, आप अपना मेल आईडी मुझे भेजिए, मैं कैनवास। हाँ बोलिए।
Yeah, before Diwali vacation, I don't have any request or invitation for Canvas.
आप अपना मारवाड़ी का आईडी मुझे अभी चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए, मैं चेक करता हूँ। चलिए।
Okay, sir.
चलिए, ऐड कीजिए, मैं
I
देख
have
लेता हूँ
accepted.
इनविटेशन। एक एक मिनट। हाँ साक्षी, ऑलरेडी आपका एक्टिविटी भी दिखा रहा है। आपका नंबर 11095।
Yes.
110,952 आपने 6 नवंबर पे लॉगिन भी किया था, 4:53 पे।
But sir, today
साक्षी,
when I opened that I was not able to log in Canvas. How? I
तो
don't know. That's why I told you.
तो फॉरगॉट पासवर्ड करके कुछ ट्राई कीजिए, अदरवाइज ऑलरेडी आपका अकाउंट तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे है, मुझे दिखा भी रहा है।
Wait, I will check.
क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आपका अकाउंट 6 नवंबर से एक्टिव है, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ। आप चेक एक बार फॉरगॉट पासवर्ड का ट्राई करके करिए, नहीं होता है तो बाद में मुझे बताइए। फॉरगॉट पासवर्ड करेंगे ना तो हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और वहां पे यूनिट टेस्ट 2 का पेपर भी ऑलरेडी मैं देख पा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे है। आपको मैंने ऑलरेडी भेज दिया है और इसमें डेडलाइन है, लेकिन आप ट्राई चालू करिए, मैं डेडलाइन इससे हटा दूंगा, ठीक है। कोई बात नहीं।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, तो आप यस कृपलानी, यहाँ पे मत देखिए। कहाँ पे देख रहे हो आप? कैनवास में जाके देखिए। डी आर कृपलानी, गो टू canvas.instructor.com, वहां पे मिलेगा आपको पेपर। मैंने अभी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिया, वो कैनवास पे था मेरे भाई। Anybody having any doubt related to paper not submitted, any stuff, kindly open your mic and tell me. Otherwise, if you have written your status, then after you can leave the class, okay, and wait for the next one.
ओके सर, देख लेता हूँ।
अभी करिए करिए, अभी करी दीजिए, मुझे देखना है। चलिए फटाफट, आप शेयर में रखिए कृपलानी, दिखा दीजिए मुझे, तो मुझे पता चल जाए। चलिए, एक बार कैनवास अकाउंट करके चलिए। हेलो कृपलानी,
हाँ हाँ सर, एक
शेयर
मिनट
योर
लॉगिन कर।
स्क्रीन
हाँ
एंड चेक।
हाँ हाँ, लॉगिन करके करता हूँ।
ओके, करो करो, चेक करो, चलो। यस, चेक किया आपने, हुआ या नहीं? प्लीज. In experiment 8, what is that experiment 8? Let me just, what is the title, man? Can you just spell it title for me? So I will just give you the idea on that, because directly that number I have forget. Tejas. Okay, in Arduino serial communication, Tejas, what you need to do, there is one software is there, which is I have mentioned in that Arduino kind of the PPT also. You can find it from study material. आपको क्या करना है कि जो Arduino में 3 से 4 टास्क दिए गए हैं, वो टास्क को एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, वो सॉफ्टवेयर कहाँ से आपको डाउनलोड कर आप कर सकते हैं, वो भी लिंक होगी। वो सॉफ्टवेयर की रार फाइल आपको डाउनलोड करके उसको रन करना है। तो कैसे रन करना है उसका भी उसमें डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिया होगा, और उसके अंदर आपको छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम लिखने के, भाई आपका नाम लिखना है, उसके नीचे हेलो वर्ल्ड ऐसा नाम, वो सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर में आप अपना नाम लिख पाओ, इतना आप एबल हो जाओ तो उसके स्नैपशॉट लेके सिर्फ एक वर्ड फाइल में लगा के आपको अपलोड कर देना है। In serial communication, it will be just like that. Whatever the software mentioned in that experiment, you need to just download that software. You need to run that software simply. एंड वहां पे जाके आपको एक सैंपल प्रोग्राम दिया गया है, उसके अंदर मॉडिफाई करके जो भी आउटपुट आता है, ओके, एज पर द टास्क गिवन, आपको वो टास्क का आउटपुट एक वर्ड फाइल में लगा के वहां पे एक्सपेरिमेंट 8 में आपको अपलोड कर देना है। दैट्स द स्टफ वी हैव। Better, I will what I will do that, Tejas, in next lecture I will take the experiment 8 Arduino serial communication in our next week lecture. Okay, so you can get the better idea from that one also. So मैं next experiment में Arduino कर ले लेता हूँ। आप ट्राई कीजिए, उसमें जो प्रोसेस दिया गया है फॉलो करने का, वो अगर नहीं होता है तो मुझे बताइए। सिंपली यही है, आप वो रार फाइल डाउनलोड करिए सॉफ्टवेयर का, उसको रन करिए। कैसे रन करना है वो भी उसमें एक वीडियो है, वो देख के आप कर सकते हो। रन करने के बाद जो भी कोड में मॉडिफिकेशन, आपको एक पीपीटी मिलेगी कैनवास पे, ओके, आर्डिनो सीरियल कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर के, ओके, वो पीपीटी में लास्ट में टास्क दिए होंगे, भाई आपका नाम लिखना है, नीचे ये लिखना है, ऐसा आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट उसमें करना है, और उसके जो आउटपुट आते हैं उसको आपको सिर्फ एक वर्ड फाइल में लगा के एज अ रिजल्ट आपको सबमिट कर देना है। इज दैट ओके? समझ में आया? ओके। लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा क्या? फॉरगॉट का पासवर्ड करिए। मुझे यहां से दिखा रहा है कृपलानी, आपके दोनों अकाउंट में दोनों पेपर मैंने दे दिए हैं। अभी मेरे पास यहाँ पे 2 अकाउंट अभी दिखा रहा है। आप फॉरगॉट पासवर्ड करके ट्राई करिए, अगर नहीं होता है तो बाद में इमीडिएटली मुझे बताइएगा, तो हम आगे कुछ सॉल्यूशन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? लेकिन वो यूनिट टेस्ट 2 आपको करना ही पड़ेगा। यूनिट टेस्ट 1 भी अभी थोड़े दिनों में ऑर्गेनाइज में करूंगा, तो प्लीज डू इट काइंड ऑफ दी टुडे और टुमारो ओनली। इज दैट ओके? Okay, if it is done, then now you can kind of the leave. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Anybody having any doubt, they can ask me. Otherwise, if you have written your status, whether you have unit test 2 has paper has got, then you can just write me. Don't worry about the roll call attendance. It's not going to be considered. This is just for the one testing purpose. So you need not to do anything in that. Yes, anybody having any doubt, any question, please ask me. Otherwise, you can leave and wait for the next class. If you have any doubt, open up your mic and tell me.
Sir, I have done forgot password, but still I am not able to change my password and not able to log in. Then what should I have to do?
ओके, ऐसा है तो एक एक काम कीजिए आप, आप आपका पर्सनल मेल आईडी है ना कोई?
Yeah, है।
हेलो, आप क्या
हाँ
करिए,
है।
लेट मी शो यू, लेट मी शो यू, ये मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करके आपको दिखाता हूँ। आप ये करिए,
Okay.
जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड। आप करिए क्या कि canvas.instructor.com पे जाइए, ठीक है? यहाँ पे
I
जाने
have
के बाद,
Canvas.
सॉरी, ओके, एक एक मिनट, ये दिखा रहा है ना आपको स्क्रीन पे?
Yeah, I am able to see.
ओके, हाँ, सी दैट नीड अ कैनवास अकाउंट, इट्स फ्री। आप वहां पे क्लिक कीजिए। आप क्या करिए, आई
Yeah.
एम स्टूडेंट, ओके।
Okay.
वहां पे आपको ऐसा एक विंडो मिलेगा, ज्वाइन कोड, फुल नेम, यूजर नेम, पासवर्ड, कंफर्म पासवर्ड, ये आप क्रिएट कीजिए। किससे? आपके पर्सनल मेल आईडी से, ठीक है?
Okay. Okay.
अभी क्या करिए, यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कोड है, तो आपको ज्वाइन कोड क्या रखना पड़ेगा वो मैं अभी आपको 1 मिनट में बताता हूँ, लेकिन ये प्रोसेस समझ में आया आपको? canvas.instructor.com पे जाके
Sir,
नीड
I have
अकाउंट करके
already,
आपको ये, हाँ हाँ
sir, I have already done that. I have
हाँ,
ID on Canvas. My personal email ID is already on in Canvas. It's running.
तो एक काम कीजिए, तो उससे ज्वाइन कोर्स कर लीजिए। ज्वाइन दी कोर्स है, तो
Okay.
मैं क्या करता हूँ, अभी एक आपको एक लिंक भेजता हूँ, वो लिंक के ऊपर आप क्लिक करोगे ना, तो कैनवास में ऑटोमेटिक आप ज्वाइन हो जाओगी, ठीक है? तो रुकिए,
Okay.
मैं आपको पहले वो लिंक भेजता हूँ। लेट मी जस्ट शेयर दिस लिंक टू यू। गिव मी अ मिनट। ओके, सो मैंने चैट बॉक्स में एक लिंक भेजी है, ठीक है? वो लिंक के ऊपर क्लिक करिए, तो आपके पर्सनल मेल आईडी से एक्सेस करके वो कोर्स में ज्वाइन हो जाएगा। पहले ये हो जाए तो बाद में मेरे को बताइए, तो मैं आपको पेपर भी उस पर
Okay.
अपलोड कर देता हूँ। चलिए,
Okay, sir. Wait a minute,
अभी
please.
करिए, अभी हो जाए ना तो हो जाएगा, ठीक है?
Okay.
डू इट राइट नाउ, और बाद में बताइए कौन सा नाम से आपने ज्वाइन हुए, तो मैं यहाँ पे पेपर एलोकेट कर सकूँ। Yes, other students can go. If you have completed, not having issue, you can go.
सर, मैंने लिंक पर क्लिक करके देखा तो मुझे दूसरे कोर्सेज बता रहे हैं, पर ऐसा कोई कोर्सेज नहीं बता रहा है। मतलब कि
आपका
मैंने
पर्सनल
जब
में आप पहले, अभी क्या करिए, अपना पर्सनल कैनवास ओपन रखिए, अपना पर्सनल कैनवास ओपन
ओके।
रखिए पहले, और वो जो
ओके।
पर्सनल मेल आईडी है वो मुझे अभी बताइए, टाइप कीजिए चैट बॉक्स में।
ओके।
लेकिन वो कैनवास अभी ओपन रखना, ठीक है?
ओके।
ओके, चेक करिए, वो एक्सेप्ट करिए वो जो लिंक आया है आपके कैनवास में, और ज्वाइन हो रहा है या नहीं।
ओके डन।
आपको दिखा रहा है कैनवास पे कोर्स?
हाँ दिखा रहा है।
एक मिनट, हाँ, ऐसे के यस, विच इज मेल आई, दिस 1234, इट्स योर मेल आईडी?
या साक्षी 1234.ja।
ओके, जस्ट अ सेकेंड। ए हाँ, चलिए अभी चेक कीजिए अपने D2D, वो यूनिट टेस्ट 2 के वो सेक्शन में आपको मिल रहा है या नहीं, देखिए D2D पेपर 9 करके होगा।
ओके।
चेक करके बताइए, हो जाए तो ठीक है, मैं एग्जिट कर देता हूँ।
या यूनिट टेस्ट 2 लिखा है वही ना?
हाँ, यूनिट टेस्ट 2 के बाजू में चैट बॉक्स जैसा होगा, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे ना तो आप नीचे वो पेपर मिलेगा D2D पेपर 9 करके।
ओके जस्ट अ मिनट सर। नो सर।
रिफ्रेश कीजिए, यहाँ से तो मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है।
ओके।
sakshi1234.j@gmail.com, यूनिट, आप ग्रेड में जाइए, ग्रेड में,
ओके।
ग्रेड में जाके यूनिट टेस्ट 2 टेक होम पेपर्स देखिए, उस ये स्क्रीन दिख रहे हैं ना, उसी हिसाब से देखिए, यहाँ पे साइड में एक चैट बॉक्स होगा, वन कमेंट, उसके नीचे पेपर होगा आपका,
ओके सर।
चेक करिए। मिला?
जस्ट अ मिनट सर। मेरे को तो इधर कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, जैसे कि
आप
आपने ऐसा
अपना
दिखा
स्क्रीन
रहा
शेयर
है कि।
कीजिए, आपका स्क्रीन शेयर
ओके
कीजिए मुझे, चलिए स्क्रीन शेयर करिए, मैं
ओके।
बताता हूँ। हाँ, जाइए अपने कैनवास पे। हाँ, हाँ यही है ना। हाँ, अब आप नीचे नीचे करिए, अब आप नीचे जाइए, इसको स्क्रॉल डाउन कीजिए, स्क्रॉल डाउन। ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है। ओके, आप ऊपर आइए, ऊपर आइए, सबमिट एंड वो कुछ था, देखिए ब्लू कलर में, ऊपर जाइए ऊपर। हाँ, सबमिशन एंड रूब्रिक, वहां पे क्लिक कीजिए, क्या है? नीचे आइए, नीचे कुछ है, कमेंट, कमेंट कुछ है, देखिए कमेंट। हाँ, मिल गया ना, DCN पेपर 9। D2D पेपर 9, ठीक है, वो आपका पेपर है, ठीक है, ओके। हेलो साक्षी, यस दिस इज योर पेपर, ओके। वो PDF फाइल भी आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, ठीक है, ओके।
ओके, ये हमें लिखना है ना,
यस
मतलब फाइल पेजेस में, और आप
यस यस यस, स्कैन करके यहाँ पे फिर से अपलोड करना है, ठीक है।
व्हाट इज द डेडलाइन फॉर दिस?
आपका जब तक टर्म एंड होता है तब तक डेडलाइन है। अभी उसमें 1 दिसंबर लिखा है तो कोई बात नहीं, आप सोचिए मत, लेकिन अभी अपलोड करना लिखना चालू कर दीजिए, मैं एक्सटेंड कर दूंगा D2D के लिए। एट द एंड ऑफ योर टर्म एंड, जो भी डेट पे आपका टर्म एंड होगा वही आपका लास्ट डेट होगा सब चीज सबमिट करने के लिए, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
ओके डन।